Let's look at a few examples of how I use slip to decorate various objects. The first material that I chose is linen, although you could choose any other type of fabric, just depending on your taste, and you could try various types of fabric because based on the fibers in the fabric, the result could come out different. So all I do is I put a thick layer of slip and then I just touch the vase with this fabric to create this beautiful texture. The next material is gauze or cotton or any different type of fabric. This is kind of in between paper and fabric, so I just take it and again I just apply the slip to the vase in several layers. You could also alternate various slips of various clay bodies. For example, use one slip that's very different color of the clay body and then use the same clay body on top. And just alternate and create various layers of slip over and over again. Just wait until it dries in between the sets. Here we go, that's the texture that I got using this material. And the next material, which I really like, is plastic. I also apply a pretty thick layer to the plastic, and then I begin to spread it throughout the whole plastic wrap. And I could just wrap the whole vase in a plastic, and if it's a bigger vase, you might have to have several layers of wraps, but the texture is really fun and very interesting. And if you want a thicker layer, you just want more slip. And last material is toilet paper. I wanted to show you that using toilet paper, you could actually apply slip, but you could also fire this toilet paper on top of the vase in the kiln. So you could just cover it with slip. The toilet paper is going to burn away and some of the slip is going to remain in the vase while other is going to just disappear and burn out in the kiln. You can use any type of paper and we're going to talk about it more in week 3. However, just be aware of ink. Ink that creates dangerous gases, so it's better to use plain paper if you're going to burn it, and make sure you ventilate your kiln properly. But here it is, kind of interesting and weird, the vase with toilet paper.